In this video we will create backend API using Express.js. To create Express server, first we need to initiate Node environment in this project. Now we have initiated Node.js in this project. Also we need to install Express package to create API easily. Then in root directory in this project we have to create index.js file because index.js is entry point of this backend project. Now I am gonna change project type from common.js to module to use import export statement in this project. To create server, first import express package using import statement. Then create express app instance and store to app variable. Then start server using listen and pass the port number and console in the terminal. After the server will start. Now create API endpoint to handle GET request in this project. Then accept request and response. Then set a status code to 100 for success and also send a message as response. Now we have created API and server, so start the server to check server is running successfully or not. So open terminal and type node index.js to start the server. Now server is running successfully. So check in any browser and type localhost and port number. So here message is showing successfully. Now change the message and we can change the message to recheck. Also need to restart server and refresh the browser to check, and you can see message is changed, and now you have to test in your computer. Thanks for watching this video.